Hello, this is Looking Forward for Astronomy 100 for Monday, the 4th of September, 2017. As you get ready for class on Monday, I'd like you to read Units 11 and 12 out of your textbook and think about the following couple of questions. First of all, imagine you had a great telescope and there was a person and they were walking along. Here's you with your eyeball looking. Let's imagine they're walking this way, and we'll call this person A for Alice. Imagine then over here, way, way, way far away, is a person B. We'll call them Bob for the sake of argument, and they're also walking at the same rate. Would they look the same as they walked? And what I mean by that is, if we look and saw how far they walked, or how far they apparently moved, in other words, what angle they moved at, would those two angles be the same for Alice and Bob? And what would happen to that angle as Bob got very, very, very far away? Now, related to that is a question about constellations. Here we'll draw in the asterism, that means part of a constellation, for the Big Dipper. There's your dipper right there. Does the shape of the Big Dipper change? In other words, when your parents or grandparents talked about the Big Dipper, did they say it was the big spiral? Or was it still the Big Dipper? And putting these two things together, what does that say about the distance to stars? For comparison, let's talk about the planets and the moon. Do they change or move with respect to the background stars? In other words, if here are a bunch of stars, is the moon, here's the Big Dipper, is the moon always in the same part of the Big Dipper? Or does it change location on the sky? And the same with the planets. Is the planet Venus always in the same location on the sky? Or does its position with respect to the stars change? And what does that mean about the distance to the planets and the moon? Our last question then has to do with what do we mean by the question or by the concept of a period. Not a period in a sentence like a period or a comma or a semicolon, but a period of some process. When we say that a process takes some period, what do we mean? A period of what? And are the motions of the things that we have in the sky periodic or not periodic, and with what periods? We'll talk about those things and more when we get together on Monday. See you then.